Rufio.
Time to go down, I guess. It's been a while, around for a while, Scuzz. I don't believe you. How long is a while? Treat bird with care, and you must accept the hound. Okay. What the? What? What the fuck is that? Burning with fucking fire! Holy shit! Burn it! What the fuck? There's a bird dog. Hello, bird dog. What the fuck is wrong with you? Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Year minimum? I don't know. I'm not about that year minimum shit. Ooh. Are there more bird dogs? What's with all the bird dogs? This is madness. Bird dogs everywhere. Oh, that's a dog. No, it's a bird dog as well. What the fuck? That awkward laugh though. Oh my god, fucking bird dogs though. Oh my god. I must accept the bird dog. Bird dog is love, bird dog is life. Yep. Make you want to be a better person? I like that. Here's something disgusting. What the fuck is that? Oh, that didn't work. I feel like I can make that jump. This isn't madness, this is a nightmare. Oh yeah. It's not a dog bird, it's a bird dog and dog birds. Oh, okay, cool, yeah, no, of course. 3 at a time. Oh, yeah. Dog bird. Oh, another dog bird. The dog birds. Oh, the dog bird is whimpering. That makes me sad. Cat dog? Nope. Definitely dog bird. Woo! You guys. Whoa, that's a 5-level gem? Dang. Just roll in, mate. Okay.